All right. Well, let's talk about our ForgeBox module of the week.
Okay, so this one is Route Visualizer. Basically, install it. It'll map out all your routing tables for any ColdBox 4 Plus application. So old school 4 Plus. Just drop into your module folder and use the box-cli to install. I said CLI again. They're gonna make fun of me.
I was
Uh,
going to.
the, the box CLI to install. But once you install it, you go to the slash route visualizer route hyphen visualizer URL, and you can see all your different routes. So it's very handy if you're doing all your API stuff, if you got modules with submodules, if you're very hierarchical, as we like to build things here at Ortis. You can kind of see all the routes, dig in, drill down, and see what's happening. Because sometimes what you think might be happening might not be happening, especially in your router config if you're not careful on the placement of your routes.
Absolutely. And when you're coming into an application for the first time, when you're coming back after a while, like the first step to debugging anything is okay, this where does this URL start? And this is a great place to go see what that would match and where you need to start looking in the code.
Or where does ColdBox think this should go versus what I think it should
Yeah,
go?
exactly. Yeah, step one of debugging.